All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 11,946 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here in the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. We're in sport mode. The steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any shake or shimmy to it. Now, I do hear a little rattle up here somewhere. We'll have to get that checked out. Shifts nice and smooth. No complaints of drivability. Really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now, this car does have full body PPF paint protection film on it. So the full front bumper, hood, fenders, door, mirrors, A-pillar, roof, quarter panel, back bumper, as well as the spoiler. The pieces that do not have film on them are the headlights, the little carbon insert here, the little carbon pieces here. No film on that carbon piece. And then you do not have it on the lights here. But all the paint has it, the full spoiler, and all the front end here on side mirrors. Now, there are a couple extra canards in the car. I don't know which sides they go to. And then the OEM spoiler is included. This part was replaced with the carbon. So the gloss black spoiler that connects to here is wrapped up in a box, ready to go. And there's photos of its condition on the website there. Looking at the paint, that black looks really good. I don't see any curb rash on the wheel, but here on the inner spokes, of course, you're going to see little rock impacts. Got the 255 35 20 Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, date code 2024. Here on that side mirror, that looks good. This carbon piece looks really nice. That A-pillar, that looks good. Here on the carbon roof, like I said, PPF on it as well, fully protected. That looks good. Running down that channel, nice and clean. I don't feel any chips on the door edge. That looks good. Now, when you get down here, you're going to see some bubbles in the film. That's what that is. And of course, you're going to have little rock impacts here. There's a couple there, and that is really hard to tell if any of them made their way through the paint. Now, I get close, and some of them look like they may have, but it's just really hard to tell on something like that. Date code on that tire, 2024. Looking at the lip, once again on the inner spokes there, you're going to see little chips. Looks good. Edge of that, nice and clean. No window tint on the car. Now, when you get close on the headlight, clarity looks good, but you are going to have typical rock impacts. That carbon insert, and there's a couple small impacts on there. It's very subtle though. That looks good. I see a couple small chips there. Reflection is really nice. You can see how clear that is. The carbon piece looks good, just 3M tape there. That looks nice. Then you have the front splitter here. Aftermarket, you do have a little gash on the side. When you look at the plastic typical impacts, there's a larger one there. Looking at that front bumper though, that front end looks really good. Here on that plastic, once again, little impacts. That is very secure. That little section, you're going to see some impacts as well. And then on the aftermarket carbon, I see a couple little chips, and then once again a little gash there. Now let's get underneath the car. You are going to have some rash on there, but you can see that it's a solid piece, bolted up. It looks really, really good. Looking at that fender, that looks good. Date code on that tire, 2024. I don't see any curb rash. Side mirror's nice and clean. That carbon looks good. Upper pillar nice and clean. I don't feel any chips on that door edge. There's one tiny, tiny little ding right there. You can see it kind of warping. Very hard to see it right there. I don't see any chips with the paint though. You're gonna have some little impacts here. It does have PPF on it though. Quarter looks good. That wheel's in great condition. And then check out the carbon here. That is just a bubble in the PPF. Looks good. There's the inserts here, nice and clean. Full PPF on that back bumper as well. Just nothing on the lights. The rest of that looks good. Getting here on the underside of the car, looking at the diffuser. Nice and clean. I do see some light rash on that diffuser. It's very subtle. Nothing you can see just from walking around the car. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at that upper panel, that looks good. All that's nice and clean. Here on the Alcantara, you can see that looks good. Same here. Looking at the plastic trim, you do have a couple little scuffs from getting in and out. Right there on the edge, you're going to see a little spot. Here on the upper section though, all of that Alcantara is nice and clean. A little bit of wear from getting in and out on that seat. You can see where the belt kind of rubs that. Other than that, looks good. Full carbon, got the roll cage in the back. Kind of scan through here, gloss black. Looks really good. Now here on the steering wheel, it is matted down. So you're gonna see that. Still soft in a lot of areas here. So you can see the stripes, you can still make them. But you are gonna have the spots here that are matted. That looks good. Looking at that screen, nice and clean. A little matted down here on that Alcantara as well. The rest of that looks good. Right, checking out the passenger panel, looking at the upper section, looks good. Alcantara here is nice and clean. All of that looks nice. I don't see any scuffs there. Got the Bose audio. That smoked trim looks really good. Floor mats look awesome. Here on that bolster, nice and clean. Looking behind the seatbelt here. All of that looks good. The carbon is beautiful. All the Alcantara on the inserts looks good. See all the carbon in here. That looks nice. I'm not seeing really any flaws on this side. Upper side of the dash looks good. Headliner's nice and clean. Alright, checking out in here. All of that looks really good. Looking at the plastics here. Those are nice and clean. Here on the underside on the carbon, we'll kind of scan through that. And you can see on that PPF job, they did a phenomenal job. Get up close here and you're gonna see that line is really clean all the way down. Underside, that looks good. Alright, and this will be included with the car, so you do have 3 extra canards. It looks like 1 full set and then 1 extra for the other side. There's some hardware for the seat brackets, it looks like. And then I believe the rest of this is from the spoiler.